Konnichiwa, Tiffany got this. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to show you guys everything that I got at the Ipsy Generation Beauty event here in San Francisco. There's a huge bag of goodies here. I have never actually gone to a beauty event with Ipsy before, but I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. Also, thank you guys so much for voting on my Instagram to pick the video of the week. As always, make sure to go ahead and follow me on there so you guys are notified and you guys get to actually choose what videos go up every week. So without further ado, let's jump into this and let our inner beauty obsessed person come out, because it's about to. So it's been honestly about 10 minutes for me to organize all these products into categories so it's easier for me to show you guys. Along with this beauty bag here, actually with all the booths that you went around to, you do get a few different bags, so I'll just quickly show that to you guys. This one is so cute. This one's from Eva NYC. Looks like that. I always love using these for grocery bags, so it's great. I love receiving those. Also from Derma E, which my friend Sarah worked at. Such a cute little tote bag, very Anthropology-esque, so I got that. As well as MAC was giving away a whole like full-size tube of lipstick, and then it came with this bag. I did give away my MAC lipstick because it was just a color that I would not wear. If I say English words weird, it's because I've only been talking to my boyfriend in Japanese and my English has been going downhill. Okay. So starting with the skincare category, I received the most in skincare, so I love skincare, so I'm not upset about that. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start with Sue A, I believe that's how you say it. I received a few of these because I won a raffle at the Sue A booth. This is the Sue A Keeping Glow Coconut Jelly Mask. I received 3 of these, as well as the Donkey Milk Sleeping Mask. And then also from that brand, I received a Purifying Black Charcoal Mask, a Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask, as well as a V-Line Chin Up Mask. I'm so excited. I actually have never used Sue A products, so I can't wait to try that out. And my sheet mask collection is out of control right now, but we're gonna sheet mask every day until my skin is the most gorgeous it can be. Also from Sue A, I got the Panda Eye Brightening Mask. I wonder if this is actually, oh, it is. It looks like a panda, so I'm excited to try that one out as well. I also received the Sue A Honey Avocado Intensive Hair Mask. I'm so excited to use this one. And then last but not least from this brand, I think, is the Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel. So that was from Sue A's booth, as well as from what was in the beauty bag. I also received the KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. I haven't tried any of these lip masks before, so I can't wait to test this out. Also, an Innisfree product was in here. This is the Pore Clearing Clay Mask. I'm so excited to be seeing K-beauty brands pop up at beauty events like this. Let me take a moment. I got to meet Jenn Im. She's one of my favorite creators on YouTube. Love her. She's so lovely. She was so beautiful, friendly, and we actually talked a little bit too long, and the employees were like, hey, you gotta keep moving, there's other people. But she was one of the bigger influencers that I wanted to meet at this event. I got to, and I was so happy about it. But I did receive 3 sheet masks from the Creme. I got the Fusion Sheet Mask. Oh, roses are red, violets are blue. I also got the charcoal almond, and I also got the raspberry yogurt. I'm gonna be traveling a lot in the next few months, so sheet masks are definitely a must for me for my airport necessities. And then from the booth that my friend worked at, the Derma E booth, I received a few masks. I got the Vitamin C Brightening Clay Mask, the Firming Magnetic Clay Mask, as well as the Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. And then one Freeman Cleansing Clay Mask, as well as the OMGE 2-in-1 kit, the Detox Bubbling Microfiber Mask. So I always love two-step masks, so I can't wait to go ahead and test that out. So those were all like full-size products, and they were a mix of full-size and sample-size products, so I'm really happy about that. I thought it was just gonna be, you know, just small products in general, which is good for traveling, but I would love to receive full-size products. From Pure Elise, I got the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Once again, perfect for my trip. And then I also got two things from Bioderma. These are just travel-size ones. This is the Bioderma Soothing Cream, as well as the Moisturizing Concentrate. And then from Cots, I think that's what it's called, the Face Tinted, as well as the Pure Botanics Mineral Tinted Sunscreen Moisturizer. From the Claire C booth, I actually went in and talked to them about my skin condition, and I was like, it's super dry, and they recommended this. This is the Pretty Skin Vitamin A and C Oil Serum and Boost. Let's see, what should we go into next? I think if it's skincare products, it's hair care products next, right? Yeah. So they were just giving these out at the Ava NYC. This is the Purse Perfect Hair Towelette, and it's supposed to tame frizz, soothes flyaways, and refreshes on the go. So definitely an airport must-have. And then I got the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract and Meadow Foam Seed Silicone-Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment with Marshmallow Root for all hair types. So this is one of the bigger products that they gave us. I'm so excited about this, and it smelled absolutely amazing. It almost smells like a Victoria's Secret store, if you guys know what I'm talking about. I can't wait to go ahead and try this out because I do really like their soap. So also from Ava NYC, they gave us a Freshen Up Dry Shampoo, and this one also smells really good. This one smells like Bath and Body Works though, but I love it. And then from Skin & Co, we got a little body milk, and from Briogeo, we got a Rosarco, oh my god, I'm just gonna mispronounce all these words. Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So moving on into lip care, I only kept a few things. I have two of these Tattoo Junkie lip paints, and it comes with these little sparkles in them, and I just thought it'd be fun anytime I'm going out or something if I want to try something a little bit new. So I got that. And from Pixi, they gave us a full lipstick. This is in the color Peach Blossom. Super, super gorgeous. Oh, I'm gonna love this color. What a pretty, like, corally orange color. Obsessed. Also from Pixi, they gave us a little gloss. This is in the color Honey Sheen. I'm a more lip gloss person rather than a liquid lip person. This is gorgeous. Question of the day, actually. Are you a lipstick person or are you a lip gloss person? I personally am a more lip gloss stain type of person. So. And then from the Balm, we received a full size of the Scuba Water Resistant Black Mascara. Perfect for summer, and I also needed to switch out my mascara from right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch to that. And also from Benefit, they were giving out a full size of the Highbrow Creamy Brow Highlighting Pencil. I've never actually used the brow highlight, so I'm really excited to go ahead and try that out. Oh, here's another Pixi product. This is the Pixi Deep Blonde to Brunette Brow Powder Duo. This is the Butter Bronzer. I've always wanted to try out the Butter Bronzer, and I finally got my hands on it at this event, and I think this might actually work with my skin tone. Whoa, I had not smelled this until right now. I don't know what the smell is though. It almost smells like sunscreen and being in Hawaii, which I definitely want to be in right now. And last but not least, Too Faced wasn't giving out that much stuff, which I was kind of disappointed in. They only gave us this tiny, tiny, tiny Too Faced Hangover RX priming spray and setting spray. But like, I'm so sad. I love Too Faced. I wish they were giving out bigger sample products. And then for the beauty tools that I received in the bag, I first have the Luxie 518 large powder brush. This is such an amazing brush. I actually have a few other Luxie brushes and I'm obsessed, and I didn't have this one, so I'm so excited. If you guys haven't tried Luxie brushes, they are so soft and they don't shed, so I can't wait to put that in my makeup collection. I'm so confused right now because I'm pretty sure I got these brushes at the same booth, but this one says Royal and Langnickel on it. But anyway, this is the multi-purpose powder brush. I also got this smoky eye brush, which I think will be perfect for putting any darker colors in the crease. And actually also from Luxie, the brand that has these cute little brushes, they give us a brush cleanser, which I definitely needed. I had one of those like DIY hot glue on clipboard kind of brush cleansers for the longest time, so this will definitely come in to play, especially because I definitely need to wash my brushes now. And then I also received these creaseless hair ties from Derma-E. This is so cute. And then just a few random things. I got the Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream, as well as a sample size of the Sol Janeiro Acai Body Power Cream. So this event was definitely so much fun for my first time, and definitely next time if you guys are ever thinking about going to this event, wear sneakers. It will help you so much when you're waiting in line. But that was it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you guys can take part in all the polls that I do to figure out what videos are going up next week. I will be doing another one, so go ahead and vote for which video you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, following, and being a part of this family. I can't end this video because I am just so tired. And I'm running on coffee, which is an everyday thing. But thank you guys so much. As always, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!